Top 7 antenna types and their secret applications. Antennas are the invisible backbone of our connected world. From smartphones to satellites, every wireless system relies on them to transmit and receive electromagnetic signals. While most antennas serve familiar consumer purposes, many have lesser-known, advanced applications in defense, intelligence, and specialized research. The secret side of antenna technology. 1. Dipole antenna. The classic workhorse. A dipole antenna, with two equal conductive elements, is one of the simplest and most widely used designs. It powers traditional TV, rabbit ears, FM radio receivers, and ham radio stations. In specialized domains, broadband dipoles like the BCA 620 serve in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions due to their wide frequency coverage and robust signal clarity. 2. Microstrip patch antenna. The flat innovator. Compact and easily embedded on circuit boards, patch antennas are essential for mobile phones, Wi-Fi, and GPS devices. Beyond everyday use, wearable microstrip antennas have transformed biomedical monitoring, enabling wireless body area networks, WBNs, for athletes, first responders, and patients under remote medical observation. 3. Yagoda antenna. The directional performer. With its array of reflectors and directors, the Yagi antenna delivers focused, high-gain signals ideal for rooftop TV and long-range Wi-Fi setups. Its directional precision also finds use in radar systems, where accurate target detection and tracking are vital for both civilian and defense purposes. 4. Horn antenna. The high-frequency gateway. Horn antennas, shaped like a flared waveguide, are common in satellite dishes and microwave radar. Their lesser-known role includes ground-penetrating radar, GPR, for non-destructive testing, such as inspecting road layers or concrete bridges without drilling. 5. Phased array antenna. The smart beam saver. By electronically steering its beam through multiple elements, a phased array eliminates the need for mechanical movement. Found in 5G networks and Starlink terminals, it also powers stealth technology, where conformal arrays are embedded into aircraft and naval hulls to reduce radar visibility. 6. Helical antenna. The spiral of space. Helical antennas offer circular polarization, making them ideal for satellite communication and GPS. In specialized RFID systems, their geometry ensures consistent tag detection regardless of orientation, improving reliability in logistics and security tracking. 7. Fractal antenna. The multiband marvel. Using self-repeating patterns, fractal antennas achieve wideband performance in compact forms. These are essential for IoT and multiband devices, but also play a strategic role in electronic warfare, enabling secure, frequency-agile military communications and jamming operations.